Did you see that? That sudden, almost silent surge in volume from Morpho? It's not your average retail trader. That, my friends, is the sound of institutional money making its move. While everyone is distracted by the latest meme coin, the smart money is quietly positioning itself in one of the most innovative protocols in DeFi. Today, we're peeling back the layers on Morpho to understand why these financial giants are suddenly so interested and what this means for the Morpho token price. This isn't just another DeFi protocol. It's a fundamental shift in how lending and borrowing will work on-chain. Stick around, because we're going to break down the institutional catalyst, dive into the tokenomics, and give you our price prediction for Morpho. So, what exactly is Morpho? Forget everything you thought you knew about traditional lending protocols like Aave or Compound. Morpho isn't a competitor, it's an optimizer. It acts as a revolutionary layer on top of these existing protocols. Think of it like this. Aave and Compound are foundational lending pools, but they use a pool-to-peer model which has inherent inefficiencies. Morpho introduces a peer-to-peer matching engine that sits directly on top. It first tries to match you directly with a borrower. This connection is far more efficient. The supplier earns a higher yield, and the borrower pays a lower interest rate. It's a win-win. And what happens if a direct match isn't available? Your funds seamlessly fall back to the underlying Aave or Compound pool. Now, for the million-dollar question, why now? Why are institutions flocking to Morpho at this very moment? First, let's talk about partnerships. Morpho has successfully integrated with major players, proving its technology is robust and trusted. Second is security. By acting as a layer on top of battle-tested protocols, it inherits their security posture while reducing smart contract risk. Finally, efficiency. In a world of razor-thin margins, Morpho's improved yields are a significant financial advantage for those deploying billions. But how does the Morpho token itself capture value? The primary utility of the Morpho token is governance. Holders vote on critical parameters, which pools to support, fee structures, and treasury management. This is direct control. As the total value locked on Morpho grows, so does the revenue directed to the treasury, controlled by token holders. This creates a powerful flywheel effect. More users lead to more volume, which increases the value of holding and staking Morpho. Let's pull up the charts. Looking at the Morpho price action, we can see a clear story of accumulation followed by a breakout. The price has surged past previous resistance, turning it into support. A key level to watch is the previous all-time high. The moving averages are trending upwards, with a classic golden cross signal that often precedes significant upward momentum. In the short term, if the market remains bullish, we could see the token attempt to double or even triple from its breakout price. Long term, if Morpho captures 5 to 10% of the TVL in Aave and Compound, we're talking about an exponential effect on price. Of course, no investment is without risk. Morpho must continue to innovate to maintain its edge against new Layer 1 and Layer 2 solutions. However, institutional capital is often stickier and provides a stable foundation against market panic. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, trade smart and stay informed.